Welcome back to this video. And today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find top kitchen and household goods supplier in China without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Starbucks, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So if you go to this particular website right here, koovoo.com, that is the official URL for every kitchen and household item that you can buy at wholesale price from China to any part of the world. So when you get to the site, everything is going to be in Chinese character, just like what you see right here. But nevertheless, always make sure that you access the site with Chrome browser. This will allow you to translate to whatever language of your choice. And for us to translate this particular website from Chinese to English language, English or whatever language of our choice, what we need to do is to simply right-click on the outside of the web page. Then we have to make sure we look for translate to English language. Then we come to the top here, we make sure we choose English. And in a few seconds, it's going to translate everything from the web page, just like so. Everything here has been fully translated into English language. So once everything was translated to English language, you'll be able to navigate and see how to source for kitchen and household supplier from China using this particular website. Alternatively, if you don't understand English language and you still want to change to prefer understand language, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and then make sure you click on choose another language. Then click on here from the drop down right here, choose another language of your choice, and then it's going to automatically translate. It's as simple as that. Now, after you are able to translate and you understand everything written on the site, let's see how to source for supplier of kitchen and household item. So you can simply come to the top right here, supply and or better still, so you can simply come to product from the top right here. When you click on the product, every items available. So just like so, these are all available products right here by specified. Okay, so what you need to do is to simply hover your mouse and click on any of the keyword right here. You are going to see all available products. From here, you can simply contact the supplier from China. Let's, for instance, I'm interested in electric fryer. So simply click on electric fryer. So when you click on electric fryer, it's going to load up just like so, and you see all available products under the electric fryer. So you can simply scroll down and see more supplier from different city as the case may be, just like so. Then right here, this page here has about 1 to 7 pages. This simply means that you can simply click on next page, then you see more supplier. Then you can also search by related products, just like so. So what you do here is to simply click on anything, right, any of the keyword right here, and you see more products. And alternatively, you can also scan this particular QR code right here and connect to your mobile phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. From there, you can search for a supplier. Let's, for instance, I'm interested in Katin kitchen equipment, single cylinder electric fryer, complete kitchen. What you need to do is to simply click on the product link. Then just like so, it's open up in a new page like this. So I'm going to translate back to English language. Boom. So we have everything right here in English language. So we can simply scroll down and read product detail. So this is the contact information, contact number of the supplier on WeChat. You can get them connected, or you can connect with them on WeChat with this particular number. And this is the company name right here. So you can see their company name. The company was established in 2010. So you can read about the company background information as the case may be. And then you can simply scroll down to the bottom right here and get their offline address. And you can click on here just to see their phone number. You can also click on here to see their mobile number. So any of the contact here, you can use it to contact them. Like I said earlier, this is the company name right here. So you can scroll down and read more information about the company. Okay. Then you can also browse by another brand right here. There are a lot of factory right here that you can simply consider. when you are looking for kitchen and household equipment. So let's quickly go back to the site. Then one more thing about this particular site here is that from the home page, this site here allow you to source item by city in China. So let's quickly go back to the home page. Then from the home page right here, you can also browse by category from the sidebar right here. You can simply scroll down and browse by factory. These are different factory that deal with different manufacturing of household and kitchen items. You can scroll down and see more items right here. What you need to do is to simply click on any of them. Then you can scroll down right here and see kitchen appliance, tableware, steam baking, and cutting supplies. You can scroll down and see food processing machinery, cabinet, accessory, cleaning supplier, cooking utensil. Then lastly right here, hardware accessory. It's as simple as that. You can scroll down here and see some of the latest products on this particular website. There are a lot of factory right here that you can simply connect with, most especially if you are looking for kitchen and household items from China. Okay, so if you want to browse by, you want to check products by city, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here and choose on any of the products right here. Let's, for instance, I want to get electric kettle. I'm going to click on electric kettle right here. Then it load up a new page. So basically, this is how best you can source for kitchen and household items direct from China. Connect with any manufacturer as the case may be. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more sourcing tips from China to any part of the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.